Hello, welcome. Let's now look at some past questions that are under static mechanics. This is episode number 36, where we begin to pick past questions. So we are beginning from 1993, which is the question 33, the section A part. We are having three forces, which is force 1, 2, 3, which are acting on a particle. We are finding the magnitude of the resultant what? Force. Oh yeah, the resultant force. Remember the various ways by which we pass. But I'll be passing only one way. That is resolving the force from the magnitude direction form into the vector component form. So if I start, I can have our R be the resultant, is going to be the sum of force 1, that's the vector form of force 1, plus the force 2, plus what? The force 3. So right away, we are resolving them directly. So okay, let's pick the first one, force 1. Let's resolve it separately, which means 8, the sign. Let me use the sign. You can use the cos, but the sign will be a lot faster. Sine 30, then 8 cos 30 degree. Resolve this into decimal values, as in 8. Sine 30 will be giving you 4. Then 8 cos 30 will be giving you, let's deal with the 4 root 3. And this is the force, so we indicate what? The Newton. Let's pick the force number 2, which is having the magnitude of 8, the sine of what? 90 degree, 8 cos 90 degree. Let's resolve that. So if we have, it's 10, right? It's 10. The 8 is the first one. So we have 10. So 10 sine 90, that will give us 10. I think sine 90 is 1, right? Then cos 90 should be 0, I guess. Yeah, so the down part is going to be 0 component. Let's go to the force number 3, where we have 8, the sine of 150 degree, 8, the cos of 150 degree. These are all revision of all that we have done in the previous episodes. A lot of episodes on that. So this also gave you 4. Our 4 root 3 by here, negative 4 root 3, or in what? Newton. So that implies that our resultant force is going to be from here. Force 1 is 4. Then we have 4 root 3 plus force 2, which is 10, 0. Force 3, which is 4, negative 4 root 3. Let's put all together. 4 plus 10 plus 4, that is the x component. Then 4 root 3 plus 0 minus 4 root 3. You can see that 4 plus 10 plus 4 will be giving us 18. So we have 18 in there. Then we have, this is 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3. That will give us what? 0. So this is it. But we said find what? Magnitude. Remember, magnitude of R is just the root of the first component squared, the second component squared. So it means that 0 squared will be 0. If you find the 18 squared, the root will cancel the square. So we should be left with only what? 18. So our answer will be 18 what? Newton.